Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Edge error 1722. This error usually occurs due to corrupted browser, files, cache issues, or problematic extensions. First, completely restart Microsoft Edge. Close all Edge windows and open Task Manager. Press Ctrl Shift Esc on your keyboard to open Task Manager, then locate Edge. Right-click on Microsoft Edge and choose End Task. After that, reopen Microsoft Edge. Next, clear your browser cache. Press Ctrl Shift Delete on your keyboard to open Settings. From here, select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. Set the time range to all time. Then click Clear Now. Restart Edge after clearing the data. Next, go to Extensions. Click Extensions in Settings and disable all of them. Restart Edge and check again. If the issue still appears, reset the browser settings. Go to Settings. Then choose Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their default values. Confirm the reset. Finally, repair Edge. Search for Apps in Windows Search. Go to Installed Apps. Search for Edge and locate Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots and choose Modify. Then click Repair. This will fix corrupted files. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Microsoft Edge error 1722 by restarting the browser, clearing cache and disabling extensions, resetting settings, and repairing Edge. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.